Welcome to Munnar Chocolate Factory.
Chocolate, that is the cocoa. So when the cocoa breaks us into two pieces, inside we have the 50 to 60 seeds or beans inside it. So we have to take out first. We have to dry it for 3 days in heat situation. After that we have to roast it, that's it. From this seed we can be extracted cocoa butter as well as the cocoa powder. Depends upon the technologies of machines. So after that we have to make like a granular form. That is a powder form. That powder form is goes into this machine. So in this machine we have to add ingredients like sugar, cocoa butter, cocoa powder as well as the milk powder. The four ingredients will be grind together approximately 3 to 4 hours in 45 degrees Celsius. After that we will be get that is a liquid chocolate, that is a melting chocolate. You can be see there, that is a white chocolate is graining there, right? So did you see that? So like this we get milk chocolate, that means brown chocolate. So that brown chocolate due to this compressor, you can see both pipe is there. So through this pipe it goes to the next process. So this is the second process. You can be see here in downstream. The machine will be worked now. So the machine will be sent whether the board is coming or not. After getting the right time, the chocolate will be folded.
Cacao is one of the most important fruit in Canada. The whole seed has a sweet, salt taste to its end. Like salt, the seed will be fermented. On this process, usually takes up to 6 to 10 days. It will be roasted and pulverized.
And it likes having three shapes. One is rectangle, oval shape as well as the heart shape. Now this is the milk chocolate. Actually it's made from 75% of the cocoa powder and rest of 25% milk powder is there. Sugar content is there, cocoa butter is there. So it depends upon the chocolate, the ratio will be different. So after this process, the chocolate is goes to the vibration mode and this is the third process. It will be get the vibration. Now you can be see that. So after this process it get vibration here. Now you can be see that. So if you have any air bubbles or air space, unshaped chocolate is there. Due to that vibration, the chocolate get perfect shape as well as the air spaces will be go outside. So before that they will be add cashew something like this to make much flavor as well as the taste also. And this is the roasted hazelnut. So now, yeah, this is roasted hazelnut. Now they are adding the hazelnut. So it will be taken. Can I say next process? So after this chocolate it goes to the freezer. So inside the factory we have the both freezer is black color. So inside the freezer we have to keep this chocolate 20 minutes in 7.8 degrees Celsius. So after 20 minutes when we take outside, that is the final stage of chocolate, that is solid one. That chocolate is comes in this runway. You can see small runway in this machine. So in this runway we have to keep this chocolate in space of medium, that is hygienic indicator. After this chocolate will be get packed in nitrogen gas. So there is no problems of melting setup. So it will be packed individually and goes to the downstairs. And probably we are making here three kinds of chocolate. Dark is there, white as well as the milk. The dark is a quite expensive one. It comes around 6,000 per kg because it's made from 100% of this sugar. That means cocoa powder. So it actually has a small content of sugar. So it is a bitter form. You can be tasted downstairs. And this is the basic process how to make chocolate here. If you have any doubts or questions regarding on this process, you can be asked.